name is Janolka, and this is The Bird is the Word. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. What are you running from? What are you running from? It seems the birds are avoiding something. Excuse me, sir. Sir, what are your avoiding the question again. Excuse me, sir. Can I have a moment of your time? What would you say... Excuse me. Excuse me, what would you... Excuse me, what would you say your life is like as a... How do you enjoy living in Sydney? I'm not getting the answers I wanted. What about did your family come to Sydney? Good. What do you think of lockout laws? I don't think he likes them. Why are you giving people the flu? Here we have a gang of pigeons, obviously up to no good. Excuse me, what are your thoughts on the belief that you're rats in the sky? Did they do that to you? Did they do that to you so you'd hide the truth? It's okay, sir, you're safe with me. You can answer. Calm down, sir. Calm down. That's warfare. This ibis is currently under attack from some minor birds. I'm gonna ask him what the issue is. Excuse me, sir. What did you do to piss off those minor birds? Is there a war going on right now between ibis and miners? It's okay, you're safe with us, sir. You tell us. It's not safe in these streets. It looks like we've unveiled an avian underbelly of seediness, destruction, terror.